Okay, I'm good. I'm sorry. I'm so proud of them. I'm getting emotional. I'm sorry.
가자. 오늘 달이 좋구나. 가자.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a reaction to BTS's We Are Bulletproof, the Eternal music video. I know, I am super late, but this was their anniversary. I think they came out with this in their anniversary. It was for their anniversary, but I'm really excited. I did already get my t-shirt, as you guys can see. It's a really good t-shirt, my merch, and I got the other one. I got two merches, and I got this. I don't have a battery in it yet, but I did get my Lightstick, BTS Lightstick. There's only two Lightstick that I own. One, they're so expensive, or I would have owned more, but I have Pentagons and now BTS's. So, and then I got these cards with my order with the Lightstick, and I just wanted to show you guys before we get started. I just want to show you guys. It's like just imagine this as an unboxing to their Lightstick. So this is what it came with. So it's photo cards. It's all of the members, so that's good. So we have Rapmon. The back is really chic. It's like this. It doesn't say their name like at the top. That's the only thing. I wish it was signed, but it's okay. Better than nothing. I'm still grateful. There is Jin. The back is still the same. Jin at the top. And then we have my bias, Suga, right here. And here's the back. And then we have J-Hope, our Hope, right here. Here's the back. Here's the J-Hope. And then we have my second bias, who is Jimin. Look at him, looking good. And here's the back. Next one is Ree. And here's the back of it. And last but not least, we got Cookie, and here's the back. So yeah, I just wanted to unbox that for you guys just to show you. I don't have any batteries, so I'll buy batteries, and next time I do a reaction to them, I'll open this up and show you guys. But anyways, without further ado, let's just get this started. I know I'm late already, so here we go. BTS is my ultimate bias group, by the way. I've been with them since 2013. I'm just so proud of them. So here we go. I'm excited. I love this song. Okay, is that Rapmon? And oh, it's Rapmon like he's old. Aww. Had nothing but dreams. I did check out the lyrics before, but who is this one? Cookie? Oh, that's so cute and sad. Oh. So much crying. Oh, this is so cute. We were only 7. That makes me cry. Oh my god, I'm getting emotional. This is cute. I love this music video. Oh, that's like their struggles. Oh. Rapmon. Sugar. Oh, he's drowning? Does it have anything to do with his mixtape? This music video. Oh, Jimin's voice. His voice is my favorite voice ever. Fuck the haters. Fuck the haters. I swear. So proud. So proud. Who made this? Okay, I'm good. I'm sorry. I'm so proud of them. I'm getting emotional. I'm sorry. I'm sure there's so many like they're showing so many, what do you call it? I'm emotional. This is so cute. You have the army. As long as you have the army, there's nothing to worry about, BTS. I love their last logo, but this is simple and chic. Oh, that ending. BTS. BTS. Are we still calling them Backdown Boys or Behind the Scene? Because I know they changed their name. Oh my god, this made me so emotional. I'm so sorry that I'm late. I'm even mad because they're my ultimate bias group and I'm reacting to them this late. To be honest, I kind of wanted to get the merch before I do a reaction. I do have some other BTS like outfits, but you guys, I'm pretty sure, seen them. But I really wanted these to come in, and they came in, and just wanted to do a reaction. So sorry about that, but this is beautiful. It made me emotional, and not only because this was about them and their struggles, and now they're singing to the army. They're saying they were 7. Now they went through so much pain, and now they're with us because of the army, because of their hard work. They are successful where they are now, and I'm just so proud of them. But not only that, what made me even more cry is the animation of this, like how the little characters, they were so cute and resembled the members so well. They were so cute, and it's like watching a baby cry, you get sad. So like all of these combined made this reaction, made this video so emotional for me. I know they get a lot of hate, but that's what happens. I mean, sadly, this is what happens when you're famous and you get hate, but you should like overcome that because you have fans that love you, that's been with you, like fans like me. You have new fans, but also fans like me who has been with you through your debut. So they shouldn't be sad. They have us, and I love this. This was so heartfelt and so emotional, so warm, and I loved it. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys thought. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.